Welcome everybody to a quick little unboxing video of a pretty cool product from what I understand. At least that's what the company that sent this to me said it was. A really cool product if you have a MagSafe phone. A universal car mount for the dashboard that is MagSafe, basically for your iPhone. Or if you get those little stickers that you could put on the back of your Android phone. Either way it'd work. At the moment, I am here charging my car, and I figured this is a perfect time to set this thing up. Though I'm not going to keep it in my car. I am going to donate this to Steph stuck in a truck because she needs one of these. Because this product is meant for vehicles mostly, because it is a car mount that goes on your dash, and I'm assuming maybe on a piece of glass or even your infotainment center, why not just do it in the car while I'm charging instead of just on a table with an overhead camera, because this is a real product that needs real use. Now at the moment, I do have a MagSafe product I spent like quite a bit of money on. It's a MagSafe. My phone sticks on that and it goes in the air vents. I just slide it on in, which I find great for one reason and one reason only. I live in Florida and it gets super hot. Oh, come on, get in there, you. It gets super hot. So I like having my phone close to my air conditioner vent. So it's always keeping my phone cool while I'm using it for navigation or whatever, phone calls or whatever, Android Auto for this one and Apple CarPlay for that one. And it's just nice when it's always going to keep it cooled. Something like this, I'm assuming you could do the same thing. You just mount it on your dash and flex it down by your AC unit. But living in hot climates, it's extremely important to keep your phones cool so they don't overheat. And I would like to see something like this, maybe with a charger or something that, I don't know how you would create one other than just being able to slide it into your air vents, but something that you can mount somewhere around that goes down and you can keep that breeze going, because some of these chargers actually are not chargers, but some of these mounts also plug into your cigarette lighter or USB adapter and charge your phone at the same time. I don't believe this one does. I do have one that works on my Samsung Galaxy Fold that I don't really use anymore. It's a robotic one that, you put the phone in and it closes automatically. And when you want to release it, you press a button and the robot arms go beep. But I don't use it much anymore, just because my iPhone kind of took over my car. Not that I don't love my Samsungs and Pixels, but I do. But it just seems Android Auto is not as advanced as Apple CarPlay. I like Apple CarPlay. I didn't think I would, but I do like it. So having something like this and some MagSafe products in your car, especially if you enjoy Android Auto. Android people, don't get mad at me. I'm still an Android person. It's just, and I know Android does tons of stuff better than Apple, but there is a few things out there that Apple does better, and CarPlay is one of them. Anyway, on to the unboxing. So the company is Syncwire. They actually contacted me and asked me if I would like to try out this product. This is not a paid video, but I do get the product for free, and so that's how that goes. So let's do a quick unboxing. The link for this will be in the description. Something else Apple does better than a lot of companies is these little peel. Here we're like trying to get the tape off without ruining the box. It is what it is. You're going to throw the box away anyway. Oh, but the presentation is kind of nice. They got everything set up in there. Really nice. I'm really curious what type of mounts you get. So in the first packet, I like the feel of the stuff that this is in. So in here, I don't have a place to put everything. You do get a cleaning alcohol wipe. And what are these things? You get a couple rings, magnetic rings. I'm assuming these are for Android phones. If you don't have an Apple phone, you could place one of these rings on the back of your phone case for your Android phone and use a MagSafe product. That's kind of nice. And then What is this? What is this? Clean the targeted area and wash. So you get a 3M sticky that you can put anywhere to mount the mount. It's not metal, so I don't know how that's going to work. We'll just have to see. I'm just doing a quick unboxing. I want to show some of this stuff. So in here you get cleaning wipes, 3M sticky, and some MagSafe things for non-Apple products. In here, what do we get? You get a suction cup thing with a 3M sticky too. So I guess it's multiple stickies. You get multiple stickies here. Or this here, no. Yeah, that's what that is. It's a sticky. So you can just set it on your dash. And I think I like this. Oh, I do. I like this. This is all made of metal too. It's not made of plastic. So I have one in my truck that I use for my iPad for my GPS stuff, and it's magnet, right? It's magnet because everything's all metal. This is aluminum, and you twist. So this has a locking mechanism where you twist. It's not magnetic. You put the little ball in. I'm assuming that's what your mom says. You just push it in, tighten it down, and it works. Next thing you know, you slap your phone on here, which I'm recording this on the iPhone and not my Sony. My Sony's in the back, so I can't mount you guys on here. But it does look like it has a 3M sticky, so it'll stick anywhere in your dash. Now, I keep my dash really clean, and I wipe down the dash with these wipes. Not Armor All. I use some other brand. I forget what it is. And so it has a nice gloss up here. And a lot of times the suction cups won't stick on my dash because it's got a nice coat to protect it from the sun. But these 3M stickies do work. But because I am not going to be mounting this in my car, it's going to be going in Steph stuck in a truck's car because I do have this. I will continue the video once she mounts this in her car, and I will place my phone in that, and we'll show you what it looks like with the phone on it. Okay, so this does turn. Now what I'm worried about is that sticks straight. If you wanted to mount it above your AC unit, oh yeah, it's sturdy because it's all metal, so it's strong. So you can do it. Flexes in different ways. Does it flex this way too? It flexes that way too. And that would go down like that. Yeah, so in my car, I could actually mount this right in front of the AC unit to keep my phone cool at the same time. Nice, soft metal structure. You know, if I was going to Best Buy to purchase this, let me Google this real fast. Because I think if I was going to buy this at Best Buy, it'd cost at least 39 bucks. Let me Google this. I want to let you know what it would cost. Actually, they got a link. She sent me a link for their Amazon, so let's click on that. Let's see what this cost. Before I look at the price, that page does not show the price. So before I scroll down and look at the price, I'm going to say at Best Buy that's going to be $39 to $49. My guess. Here on their link on Amazon, $29. So they sent me the $29 one, which is the space gray. They also have a black carbon fiber one, that's $36. But this one specifically here that is all metal is space gray is $29. So that's not too bad. Now they did not give me 10% off or nothing like that at Amazon, but I will be putting this link in. If you're looking for something like this and you have a small car, look at how thin and nice that is. And it does have other accessories. So if you don't have an Apple phone, you do get these little stickers that you could put on the back of your Android phone. So, and I love MagSafe. I have been loving MagSafe since I switched. Well, I didn't switch to an iPhone, but I do have an iPhone and Samsung's. But yeah, nice. So if you guys want one of these, click the link below. Thank you to Syncwire for shipping this off to me. I really do appreciate it. it's definitely going to come in handy because we do have some road trips planned this summer. As a matter of fact, in June, I am going to be taking a 1,600 mile road trip here in my Nissan Leaf. And Steph stuck in a truck is going to be going to the Keys and everywhere else and driving around doing her gig job. If you're a gig driver, this is amazing. This is a great product if you're an Uber driver, a DoorDash driver, Lyft driver, because you could just set your phone right there. You get in orders, instead of having it on your seat, your phone on your seat, and picking it up and looking at it. Much better option. Anyway, yeah, I got an iWatch too, or whatever they call them. But that's going to be my remote for this video. So until the next time, thanks for tuning in, and I will see you on the next one. I got something incredible for Nissan Leaf owners and CHAdeMO drivers of all kind out there. If you have an electric car that charges using CHAdeMO, because the Leaf isn't the only one. There's still some other ones out there. But because CHAdeMO's being phased out, I got something arriving this Thursday that is going to be a lifesaver for the 800,000. There's 800,000 Nissan registered Nissan Leafs out there that are getting kicked to the curb, or so we thought. It's going to be exciting, guys. It's going to be exciting. I'm going to be the only person in the entire United States, I would say, in North America in general, from Canada to the United States to Mexico, all the way down to the Panama Canal. I'll be the only person to have this product. I would say in South America too, but there is somebody in Brazil testing out this product too. Somebody in Brazil, somebody in Europe, and me. There's 3 of us testing this product out. And it's going to be mind-blowing. So tune in for that. The unboxing video for that should be Friday or Saturday. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Until then, peace out, everybody. Look at this. You could use your watch as a remote control.